We need one more cylinder over here. Okay, lower the rectangle. Let's see what 2D shapes we have in stock. Circles, ovals, triangles, squares, rectangles, and one octagon. We need more octagons. And what is this? This is a pyramid, and it's a 3D shape.
Boss, where do you want these spheres and cubes?
Just dump them over there for now. Who put these spiky cones on the road? I almost got a flat tire. And these are the wrong size cones. They are too small.
Hi, Frank.
Oh, hi guys. Are you excited to see the monster truck race tomorrow?
Yes, we are very excited.
It is going to be so cool to see them race tomorrow.
Frank, is the track ready yet?
Tomorrow, Joe. Tomorrow.
You guys are slow.
Hi, I am a monster truck too, and I am excited to see you all race tomorrow.
You are not a real monster truck. You are just a toy! Hurry up, Frank, and finish this track already. I am so ready to win again. Team Cone is the best!
I am sorry, Bill. That monster truck was not nice at all.
Just don't pay attention to him. He always thinks he is better than the rest of the monster trucks.
Hi, everyone. I saw what happened, and I'm sorry for Joe's behavior. He always thinks he's the best monster truck.
It's okay.
By the way, my name is Mike, and I'm from Team Sphere. There will be 5 teams tomorrow. Team Sphere, Team Cube, Team Cylinder, Team Pyramid, and Team Cone. I'm very excited to see you tomorrow.
See you, Mike. Okay, guys, I have to go back to work. I still have to reorder the right size cones for tomorrow's race. These are too small.
I can help you. I can not only lift objects, but I can also enlarge them.
Great job, Robot. Thank you.
Good night, Pete.
Good night.
Good night, Bill.
Good night. I am a monster truck.